Don't forget to tune into Times Now at 1 p.m. for that interview. But let's speak about the politics around it. After Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget worth 48.2 lakh crore rupees, the opposition is still busy crunching numbers. But unfortunately, it's not from the point of view of the national interest. Instead, the focus is firmly on the political interest. United against what they called a biased budget, the India bloc leaders got together to protest both inside and outside the parliament. In fact, the complaint list also had allegations from attack on fiscal federalism to save Sarkar budget to the minimum support price paid to allies. Listen in to the opposition's attack.
समर्थन मूल्य किसान को न मिल करके जो अलायंस पार्टनर जो सरकार बचा रहे हैं उन्हें समर्थन मूल्य सरकार दे रही है। ये तो अखबारों में भी छपा है।
जिन राज्यों के समर्थन से सरकार मुश्किल से चल पा रही है, जैसे कि बिहार और आंध्रा, उनको सब कुछ लुटा दिया गया। तो इससे तो यही सार मिलता है कि जो राज्य भाजपा को कम वोट देता है उसे ज्यादा दिया जाएगा।
सरकार बचाओ योजना कल घोषित की है, यूनियन बजट नहीं था वो। वैसे ही प्रधानमंत्री महाराष्ट्र विरोधी योजना कल बजट में दिखाई दी।
ஒரு சில மாநிலங்களுக்கு மட்டும் சில திட்டங்களை அறிவிச்சிருக்காங்களே தவிர அதையும் நிறைவேற்றுவாங்களான்றது சந்தேகம் தான் என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும்।
করুন 21 সালের পরে আপনি ক পয়সা 100 দিনের কাজের খাতায় আর আপনি আবাস যোজনায় বাংলাকে দিয়েছেন, 10 পয়সা যদি প্রমাণ করতে পারে আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেবো।
Other states also should get justice. Without giving justice to other states, they are giving only 1 or 2 states. Will have a big problem on federal system. That's why we are agitating.
Meanwhile, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju has also hit out at the opposition over boycotting Niti Aayog meeting. He says that this is not the time for politics and that this is the time for constructive engagement to work towards Viksit Bharat. Take a listen.
हम लोग सब इस महान सदन का सदस्य हैं और आप इसको प्रिसाइड करते हैं। कोई भी सदस्य ऐसा टिप्पणी करते हैं जिससे सदन का गरिमा को चोट पहुंचती है, ये सबके लिए अत्यंत दुखद घटना है। मैं आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय आपसे अनुरोध करूंगा, चाहे सत्ता पक्ष का हो विपक्ष का हो, कोई भी सदस्य इस तरह का टिप्पणी और भाषा इस्तेमाल करता है जो संसदीय परंपरा में परमिसिबल नहीं है, सदन का गरिमा को चोट पहुंचती है, तो आप समय समय में कार्रवाई करते ही हैं। नहीं करना चाहता। मैं इसे इतना कह रहा हूं कि हमारा जो भी मेंबर को प्रोवोक कौन किया, किसने किया, बोला, मैं इसमें नहीं जा रहा हूं। मैं इतना ही कह रहा हूं कि अगर सदन के अंदर में उचित वक्तव्य नहीं दिया गया है तो उसको उचित कार्रवाई माननीय स्पीकर महोदय के पास है और उचित कार्रवाई माननीय स्पीकर जरूर करें।
Let's go across to my colleagues Mohit and Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast over the politics that's playing out over the budget. Mohit, the criticism that has come in from the opposition from saying this is a Kursi Bachao budget to saying this is a Jhunjhuna budget and whatnot. The criticism has come in, but what's unfortunate is that several of the opposition CMs have also decided to skip the Niti Aayog meeting.
Well, yes, in fact, Pratibha, this particular Niti Aayog meeting, which will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 27th of July, has the agenda of making India a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And that is where Prime Minister Narendra Modi again and again spoken out, saying that during his third term, he wants India to become the third largest economy in the world. And perhaps for that, this meeting is also very, very important, where all the chief ministers will be there on the same table with the Prime Minister, and the concerns they have about their state regarding funds, regarding various projects, they can communicate with the Prime Minister directly. So this is a new opportunity for all the chief minister, but we see that how unfortunately many of the opposition ruled states, they have decided that they will be boycotting this particular meeting because they say in the budget their state did not get anything, and this budget was just for Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, because JDU and TDP are the allies of the BJP. They form the NDA, they form the government, and perhaps to accommodate them and to ensure that they do not get angry or they do not dissociate themselves with the NDA. Their states have been provided with special packages, and rest of the states which are being ruled by various opposition parties, they are being ignored. Now, this question was asked to Kiran Rijiju today, and he basically stated that this particular meeting agenda is not about politics. It's about the idea of India, how to take India forward, how to take India as the third largest economy by 2029, and how exactly to make a developed nation, Viksit Bharat, which is vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this term by 2047. This meeting is regarding that. And we have seen how Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Finance Minister, while she was speaking to our group editor Navika Kumar, she also stated that the Chief Minister should have come on the same table with the Prime Minister in this meeting, and whatever their grievances are, whatever their issues are regarding funds, regarding projects, regarding various clearances, they can directly communicate with the Prime Minister. Now, that is why perhaps West Bengal Chief Minister is attending this particular meeting, because they have stated, and TMC stated, that they want their preferences are different. A lot of pending dues are there with the central government, and they want all the central dues to be released. So they will communicate with the Prime Minister. And Rijiju also stated on this particular issue, politics should not be done. In fact, we all need to come together to make India a developed nation, and perhaps that is why this meeting, which will be chaired by PM Modi, is very, very important.
Absolutely. So Stalin, Siddaramaiah, as well as Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, Bhagwant Mann are not going to be attending this meeting, but Mamata Banerjee is going to attend. So the CMs of the opposition states are set to boycott this Niti Aayog meeting scheduled for July 27th. This is in protest against the alleged discriminatory budget presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. But Mamata Banerjee will be attending the meeting, whereas Hemant Soren has not made his stand clear yet.
ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर तो हुआ नहीं है। हाँ, तो जो भी होगा ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर होगा, उसके बाद तय किया जाएगा। ऐसे बातचीत हो रही है, इंडिया गठबंधन के ज़्यादातर लोग नहीं जा रहे हैं, तो वो डिसीजन हो जाएगा। वो स्टेट के हित में काम होता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं, तो जो भी निर्णय होगा स्टेट हित में होगा।
Opposition will definitely play politics for their own benefit. That's what MK Stalin is also doing, and the India Alliance is doing. But having said that, there is no common thread between the Niti Aayog, whatever they released, their findings, between the economic survey and the budget is what we feel. There has to be some correlation between these three, so that we can get a feel that the government is in the right track. What is said in the economic survey on SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, and what has been read out as budget seems to be tangentially opposite to each other. It's not parallel.
So, Sabyasachi, of course, TMC has always had a mind of its own, not towing the line of the India bloc, while most of the opposition-led chief ministers will not be attending the Niti Aayog meeting. This is despite the appeal that came in from the centre, saying, come to the forum, put forth the issues that you have. But the TMC deciding that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be attending.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, when on one hand, most of the opposition-ruled state chief minister have decided that they will be boycotting the Niti Aayog meeting. Now, on the other hand, Mamata Banerjee decided that she would be attending the Niti Aayog meeting, because from the state perspective, it is very much important, because crores of dues which the TMC is alleging that from this centre is still due. To get that money, they would be attending the Niti Aayog meeting. In fact, from the Trinamool Congress sources, Mamata Banerjee, in fact, is looking to have a one-on-one meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, see, at this particular time, when the TMC was asked the question that on one hand, the Congress-ruled chief minister are boycotting, so the India Alliance stand should be united. See, the Trinamool says that on national platform, the alliance is there, but when it comes to state level, different states have different equation, and the Trinamool Congress cannot just photocopy what the opposition leaders or the opposition states are doing, and that is the reason why, keeping the state ahead, Mamata Banerjee would be meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who would be chairing the Niti Aayog meeting. Now, the Trinamool Congress is also of the view that in this particular meeting, Mamata Banerjee will hold the centre government responsible for depriving the state of West Bengal of its right.
Okay, all right. In fact, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman welcomed this move and saying that other chief ministers should also take cue from that. Thank you for joining us with those details. And well,